Hey, Man in the Mayhem here, how are you all doing today? So, today I want to talk to you about TryHackME. TryHackME have just released their Cybersecurity 101 course and it's available mainly for free. The great thing about TryHackME is that it gives you some really good practical examples and really engaging ways to learn about cybersecurity. So you're not just sat there reading and doing quizzes and answering questions, they actually send you off to go and perform tasks, do a little bit of OSINT and actually perform different activities using virtual machines and remote access. So Cybersecurity 101 is to give you a good idea of computer networking, cryptography. It's to help you work with Microsoft Windows, Active Directory and Linux basics. It's going to help you with your offensive security tools, system exploration, defensive security solutions and tools, as well as help you figure out what you want to do for a cybersecurity career. Some of the favourite modules that I've been looking into on the Cybersecurity 101 are within the web hacking modules. They are Web Application Basics, JavaScript Essentials, SQL Fundamentals, Burp Suite, as well as OWASP Top 10. These are all top tools for getting into web-based penetration testing. One of the exciting things that I saw in this course that you don't see on many is that actually a special area focused around cybersecurity careers. The three main areas of this are securities in principle, careers in cybersecurity, and training impact on teams. I think it's a really good idea to get a grasp of these sort of ideas so when you actually go into industry in the workplace you have an understanding of what the careers are available to you and the impact that it's going to have to upskill yourself and upskill your team towards cybersecurity. So go have a look at TryHackME. They're not a sponsor, but they seem to be doing some really good content and really being out there for the community at the moment. So give them a try, see how it is, and it costs absolutely nothing to give it a go. Right, it's been Man in the Mayhem. Happy hacking. See you next time.